If you would like to put up and take down temporary electric fencing faster, here's how with a Kiwitech carried single pack and fence kit. When there is nothing else available as a natural anchor for the temporary fence, start with a Kiwitech end assembly. The end assembly can take quite a strain. It can also be used on sharp corners. The end assembly's release hook is a key accessory to faster fencing. A series of sharp tugs will release the polywire from up to 400 metres away. Up to 36 tread-ins fit in the pack's rack, and when fully loaded, spool included, the single pack weighs in at only 13 kilograms. Cradling the pack in the left hand frees up the right arm to help plant tread-ins. Kiwitech fiberglass tread-ins have a special UV paint coating, which also makes them friendly to handle. After a bit of practice, clipping the tread-in onto the polywire can be accomplished without looking. Kiwitech spools are very tough and store up to 400 metres of Kiwitech burnout resistant quality polywire. They also have two handy release hook storage pockets. Finishing at a solid permanent fence allows the release hook to demonstrate its second mode of use as an anchoring connector. Keeping spools off the ground prevents any possible shorting out in long grass. In just one pass the fence is up, and now the single pack is free to put up or take down any number of other temporary fences. Time to take down the fence and get the release hook to let go of the polywire at the far end. The number of sharp tugs required depends on the length of tail left on the release hook at the other end. No animal can reproduce this series of movements. Spool on and polywire through the guide. Spanner in lock position. Chuck tightened, spanner back off, and the pack is set to wind at a 4:1 gear ratio. Winding in a fence takes little time. Tread-ins are designed to pierce hard ground. Take care to push them back to help loosen them before pulling them up and out. In one pass the fence is down, and the pack is neatly loaded to put up a new fence. The Kiwitech pack is very modular. A change in guide and chuck will upgrade the pack for 2 or 3 wire fast fencing. Multi-wire packs weigh a little more, so a strap is used to take off some of the weight, and a slightly different clip-on technique is used. Carried packs can be upgraded to vehicle packs, enabling users to fence even faster off their quads. Give Kiwitech a call to find out more.